welcome to the checkout guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to reorder shipping method at Shopify checkout using the Next Reorder app. So this help you display your preferred delivery option in the order you want customer to see them. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app section. Here we can choose the Next Reorder app. So here we can choose shipping method and here click on keep reorder shipping method. Here we have to create the rule so that here in rule name, here I am giving Reorder Express shipping to top. Okay, now the rule status is activated. So now we can choose the shipping method. Here I'm choosing the express. So here we can give the position. Here I'm giving the first position. Here we can see that actually it is in second position. So let's see. So here in preview section we can see that express delivery is in first position. It is run. So we can click on save. Okay, now we can, the rule has been created now. Now we can go to the checkout section and let's test. Now it is refreshed and okay, now the express delivery is in first position. So the reorder happened is successfully completed. So here we can see the express shipping is now in the first position. So that's it. So some shipping methods such as free shipping may not movable because of Shopify checkout limitation. So the available option depend on how your shipping method are configured. So that's it. So now you have successfully reorder a shipping method using the Next Reorder app. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.